Hey everyone! In this video we will create a promotion that has a discount and a free gift. So let's get started. In the app, under Promotions tab, click on Custom Deals. You can either click Get Started or New Deal. In this example, I'm going to create a 10% discount for the whole order with a free gift for orders $50 and above. First thing I'm going to do is change the name of the code. I'm going to make 10 off plus free gift. Change, select the type of deal, in this case it will be whole order, and then I'll select the discount type as percent for 10%. Under extra benefits, check the suggest a product discounted or free before checkout. Then click on select products, then select the gift item. In this case, I'll just select belt, and then I'll change this to 100%. Now let's scroll down a bit so that we can set up the cart requirement. So under additional settings, I'm going to check the cart requirement, select cart total amount bigger or equal to $50, and then I'll click on add. And then that's it. All you have to do is click update deal or create deal.